here. I am inside the vintage farmhouse flex. And the reason why I'm inside this house today is because I have a house coming offline actually tomorrow. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, dual master with a media room. It's available for immediate delivery. We do ask that you do a 5% down call in order to hold this home while we're getting your property ready to be delivered to. Unless we hurry up and get it done, we can deliver straight from factory onto the property. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to walk you through the house, and just so you can see what it looks like, it has primarily all the same colors. I'll just tell you the differences. In the living room area, it's all still going to be the same, full tape and texture, double crown molding, same beams. You're going to have the electric fireplace with the built-ins. And then in the kitchen area, the only difference is it does not have the quartz countertop on the island. It just has the standard countertop. But all the other colors will be the same. I'm sorry, besides the mosaic. They did decide to do a gray, it's like a bevel color, so it's not the mosaic, it'll just be the standard gray. And the same thing on the buffet behind you. And say hello to Jacob. Jacob is behind the camera.
Hello, everybody.
He doesn't have his outfit on, but that's okay. And then this is your pantry area. So if you're looking for a home immediately, and a home that's going to resemble like a residential home, this is the home for you. If you have an older, I guess, child or anything that's living with you, a grandparent, a mother, I'm going to show you the dual master because it'll be perfect for them. Follow me, Jacob. You have storage here. Another great thing about this house has tons of storage in it. And then this is the third bathroom. And then you have bedroom, and then this is the dual master. And then inside the secondary, you are going to have a tile shower opposed to the fiberglass. So that's the only difference that's going to be in the master bathroom. This is the second master. And now we'll take you over to the main master. You have the sliding glass door, which is perfect if you have any decks or anything that you want to put off to the back of the home. And then you're going to go into the utility room. Utility room, you do have another door. So, sorry, y'all. Jacob almost fell. I was going to laugh. You have the mud room, and then the folding table here, and then you go straight into the master bath. Love this master bath. So you have, of course, the tile shower with the detached and rain head. And then over here, you're going to have the vanity area. And then right behind Jacob, you're going to have the china levees with the mirrors that shine behind and above. And then the water closet has an actual door to it, which is nice with elbow room. So, got plenty of elbow room. That was a good little squat there. And then you go into the master. And this is a California king bed. Oh, sorry.
No, it's all right. I got it.
Nice. Teamwork makes the dream work. But y'all, give me a call. Ask for Crystal. You can give me a call either on my cell phone, which is 713-277-4826, or just call the office at 281-592-8600. Look forward to seeing y'all. Bye, guys.